Hello, welcome back. Would you like to copy your Excel formulas from one place to another without the cell reference changing? In this video, I show you a simple trick that does that. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, any suggestion, you can write down in the comment section. Let's begin. Excel default behavior is to adjust the cell reference when you copy a cell and paste to another one. You can choose to fix the cell reference by using the $sign. A dollar for the row number fixes the row, and dollar on the column fixes the columns. You might, however, need to copy a set of formulas from one location to another location, like this. And from one file to another, and keep the existing file reference. This video is for you then, because it shows a very simple trick which you can use. Suppose you wanted to copy all the percentage cell here. Okay, sorry, this one. You can see the cell reference here. You can see the cell reference by pressing F2. You can see the cell reference has been changed. So for this I will show you 2-3 tricks. You can do one thing. You can just copy the formula from the formula bar and just press here and drag. How it will work. Okay, so likewise you can do the same thing, and you can do the same thing. Suppose you want to, so this is basically manual tasks, what you have done previously. Now I will show you the most effective tricks. So step number 2, you can do one thing before copying anything. Just select the cell, select the column or the specified area which one you want to copy, and press Ctrl H from your keyboard. Okay, just replace the equal to by using any unique text which are not present in the formula. Click replace. You can see the formula has been changed. Now what you can do, you can just copy and paste, and again select both the areas, use Ctrl H and just do the vice versa, replaced by equal to. Okay, you can see the correct percentage is showing here also. I will show you third steps, which is very important and very tricky. You can do one thing, just press from your keyboard Ctrl plus tilde. Okay, so what I will do, I will select any cell from the specific table from which I want to copy the formula, and I'm just pressing Ctrl and using a select the tilde button. Okay, you can see all the formula has been in a text format right now. Just copy the formula, select this one also, this one and this one. Sorry. Yeah, notepad, paste it, and again copy it, paste here where you want to copy the formula, and again press Ctrl tilde. You can see all the formula has been copied correctly. Hope you enjoy this video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.